Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun.
Hey there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my latest Motivation Monday. In this week's video, I'm going to do a post-school run, tidy and clean, and generally get stuff done with me.
Make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon.
I don't know about you, but my kids managed to cause such carnage in that first 2 hours of the day before school, and when I get home I cannot get anything else done. I can't get any work or anything done until I sort it all out. So the first thing I'm doing is just decluttering the sides, as you can see, just generally putting things back in their homes and tidying up. The next thing I'm going to do this morning is empty the dishwasher. I'm going to put all the clean stuff away, and then I will reload the dishwasher with some dirty things that I've gathered in the sink from the boys having breakfast this morning before they went to school and nursery.
I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need. Put in the time through, trying to tell you.
Now that's done, I'm just going to wipe down the sides, get them all nice and sparkling and clean. I'm just using a microfiber cloth and a flash spray, and I'm just going to really quickly wipe all the sides down.
Don't you, boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
There's not a huge lot to clean, to be honest. There's just crumbs and residue and stuff from making the boys breakfast, so it doesn't really take long to wipe down all the sides. But I am gonna quickly do the hob as well, because I cooked on the hob last night and there's a bit of fat sort of spit and things that you get from cooking on a hob, so I am gonna quickly do the hob. I'm gonna use my Dish Daddy, which is the best invention known to man. If you don't have one, please invest. I'm gonna use it to just go over the hob, give it a good scrub, get off any dirt and any grime that has gathered on there from making dinner last night, and then I will wipe all of those soapy suds off with a cloth, and I will buff it with a tea towel as well, just to give it that little bit of extra shine.
Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that
It is gleaming and smelling fresh, and it probably took me 5 minutes to do that. Next, I'm going to go into the boys' play area, dining area, and I'm going to tidy up in here. There's just stuff everywhere. Like I said, I can't believe what they managed to do in that first 2 hours of the day, but I'm just going to tidy away all of the toys that are out and all over the floor. I'm going to put away this cozy that for some reason Leo likes to wrap around himself when he has breakfast. There's things like smoothie spills all over the side here that need to be wiped off. I'm just generally working my way around the area and tidying and cleaning as I go.
You should lose them on the side hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah.
Now that the main room is done, I'm going to come into the living room. Now this is also an absolute mess from last night. I'm guilty from not tidying up in here last night. I think we were just too tired and just went straight to bed. So there's just some empty cans and things. There's some game controllers where the boys were playing games last night. My laptop is on the floor. There's blankets and cushions everywhere. I generally just need to walk around in this room and have a good sort out and a good tidy up.
Cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah.
and my universal signal for finishing a room, which is of course lighting a candle. Okay, upstairs now, and I'm just going to go round both boys' bedrooms. They've managed to make a mess in their bedrooms as well in that short amount of time that we are upstairs getting dressed in the morning. So I'm just going to tidy away the toys and things that the boys have got out and put all over the floor whilst we were getting dressed and ready all up here this morning. I'm going to make the beds and just have a little tidy up.
Your pretty smile, your pretty smile. I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. That's all I really need.
I also just need to change the bottom sheet on Leo's bed, so I'm going to come up here and just put on a fresh bottom sheet. The hardest, most awkward bed to change.
Your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. That's all I really need.
Next thing I want to do, and something I love to do in the morning, is a load of laundry. I'm going to do a whitewash. So I'm going to go around everyone's baskets, get out all of the white bits. I'm just picking all of the white bits out of Cooper's basket. Then I'm going to go into mine and Clint's laundry and get our whites out, which is much easier because there's separate baskets for colours and whites. All of the whites that I find, I'm just going to put in this basket here. Also our bedding, our throw that goes on our bed, and our large cushions on our bed. I'm going to wash these, which I try to wash every, 2-3 months. They don't really get dirty, but over time I do like to give them a wash and make them fresh. So I'm going to fill this basket with whites. I'm going to take it downstairs and I'm going to put a wash on.
Too hard. Nothing's ever enough.
And of course, what always happens, you can't just go in and put a wash on, can you? You have to sort out the wash that you did the previous day. So I have got some clean washing hanging on the line here that needs to be folded and be taken upstairs. So that's the first thing I need to do.
We could fly if we just tried. If we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah, dive deeper, dive with me, yeah.
Now that I've folded up yesterday's load, I can fill the washing machine. I put some stain powder in there and a washing tablet, and I'm just going to make sure everything is the right way around and pop all of the whites into the washing machine.
I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you.
Now those clean clothes that you just saw me fold, I'm going to pop them into Leo's washing basket here, as I need to take that upstairs anyway. And I'm going to carry that all upstairs. I'm going to sort these clean bits into piles for who belongs to who, and then I will put all of these clean clothes away.
Dive deeper, yeah, dive deeper, dive with me. I know we could fly if we just tried. If we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah, dive deeper, dive with me.
And there you go. After a good half hour of running around and getting everything done, I can get myself a drink, a little protein bar, a little snack, and I can sit down, relax, and I can start my day. Guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video, and I will see you in my next one.
Even if I try.